Hello everyone! Welcome back to Manta Marketing's video. Today, in this video, I will introduce a tool that helps you automatically send up to 1,000 messages per day on X to your customers. With just a single piece of software, you no longer need to spend a lot of time messaging each customer as before. The software I want to introduce to you today is MKTX, an intelligent and extremely useful product from MKT Software. To use this software, you need X accounts. The more accounts you have, the more messages you can send. This software supports managing and using an unlimited number of accounts. Next, you need to add the message content to be sent. Step 1. Create a category to store the content. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to add the message content. You can attach images or videos if desired. Next, please select the messaging function. I will set the interval between two message sends to 30 to 60 seconds. You can select one piece of content or multiple pieces at the same time. The software allows random selection from the chosen content to avoid repetition when sending messages to multiple recipients. The message recipients can be a list of X users you already have, users that your X accounts are following, or followers of your X accounts. For the list of X users you already have, please paste it here. At this stage, start configuring the number of messages each of your X accounts will send. Set the interval between each message. For the message code, please note that it should consist of only 4 digits. The final step is to select the X accounts you want to use and click Start to let the software complete the task. It's really simple, isn't it? You only need to configure the settings once at the beginning, and they will be saved for future use. If you'd like to try this software, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram for support. Thank you for watching the video. See you again in the next videos.